I have to wait for the laundry to get done before I go out in the shop so I don't forget to finish doing the laundry today. But a lot of people, when doing a project, they like to have instructions. A lot of people like to have instructions. So I seen this on the internet the other day and I figured I'd give it a try here. So we are going to go to SketchUp. SketchUp free. Okay, so we go to SketchUp.com for the free version and then we just click the start modeling. My understanding here is that you can draw your plan out of whatever you want. It'll have the measurements and where to cut your boards and stuff. And then the screen comes up and it says start tour, or you can just start modeling. Now let's skip the tour. And you gotta agree to their terms. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna try to make a miniature farmhouse table that's about the size of our picnic table there. So bear with me here. Okay, maybe I'm gonna have to watch the instructions. I don't know, but anyways, you get the idea. What we're gonna do is we got all the electrical outlets that we're gonna put up for right now hung up. We're gonna run the wire through those. And then hopefully we'll be getting some of this drywall off the floor and on the walls so that we can start finishing our workshop. So that's all the time we have today. The things we did get done is we did attach all these boards to the cedar chest and we secured the bottom in there. So little steps, but that's all the time we have today. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. This is Shop Saturday, where we record what little bit of time we do have in our shop to keep us motivated so we can keep on creating. If you want to see all the other episodes and get started from the beginning, you can click the box right here. And as always, we'd want to know what you're working on in your shop. Comment down below. Thanks for watching.